Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Elementor. Elementor is an incredibly powerful drag-and-drop page builder that transforms your WordPress site. It allows you to design stunning custom layouts and content without writing a single line of code. You can easily install it from the WordPress plugin directory in just a few simple steps, typically taking less than 1 minute to activate and begin your design journey. Once Elementor is active, navigate to a new page or post and click the Edit with Elementor button. This opens the intuitive Elementor editor. On the left, you'll find a panel of widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like headings, text blocks, and images directly onto your page. Each widget offers extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune colors, fonts, and spacing to achieve your desired look and feel. Elementor goes beyond basic design with advanced features. You can create intricate layouts using sections, columns, and intersections, giving you precise control over content placement. The extensive Elementor template library offers hundreds of professionally designed blocks and full pages, saving you significant design time. Remember to adjust responsive settings to ensure your website looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones alike. Before going live, always preview your design across different devices to confirm everything looks exactly as intended. Once satisfied, you have the option to save your work as a draft for future edits or publish it directly to your WordPress website for the world to see. For even more design power, Elementor Pro offers over 100 additional widgets, theme builder capabilities, and advanced features to elevate your site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.